Thank you, Pap. So washing machine decided to stop working and it was full of water and clothes. So of course I had to wring all the clothes out and then got to get rid of the water. So I was thinking about my grandfather, or Pap as we call him, and how when I was a kid he would put a hose in the gas pipe of a car and suck on it to create a vacuum and get some gas out to fill up his gas tank, because the gas station was miles away. So in the country you got to do what you got to do. So basically I had to take the water hose, stick it in. It's like a 50-foot hose, so it's running all through the house to go into the bathtub to drain all the water out. Otherwise, be calling a plumber or somebody to do something super easy, since I couldn't get it to drain from the drain line attached to the washing machine. But pretty much that's it. So it's been going for about 5 minutes or so. Figure it takes about another 5 to get it all out. All right, should work.